Hello, welcome to the fourth episode of the Eagle tutorial. Today, I'm going to introduce some tips for browsing the images you've collected in Eagle. These tips might come in handy when you try to track down the assets you're searching for. You can find a slider in the toolbar, drag it horizontally to adjust the display size of images. You can also hold the Alt key and use the scroll wheel to do so. Eagle provides several display layouts for users to choose. Right-click the blank space of the image list to switch between layouts. The Justified layout. This mode provides a neat display of images, which makes it easier to organize and search for the images you need. The Grid layout. This mode displays images in fixed frames. It could be helpful when you're quick searching or multi-selecting. The Waterfall layout. This mode is suitable for browsing long images or images of variable sizes. In addition to adjusting the display layout, you can also choose to show or hide the image information. Right-click the blank space to open the drop-down list. In the Image Info part, you can check or uncheck the options for your needs. If you need bigger space for browsing images, try hiding the sidebar and the inspector. Click the toggle on the upper left side. Sometimes you might just want to have a quick glance at images. Then you can press the spacebar to show the preview pane. Hit the left or right key to switch between images. Double-click an image or press Enter to open the Detailed View mode. To zoom in or zoom out on images, drag the slider. You can also hit the display percentage, which shows a drop-down list for you to choose the predefined percentage. On the right side of the slider, the Actual Size button and the Zoom to Fit button allow you to switch between sizes. You can also do so by right-clicking on the display percentage. Sometimes you might need to zoom in on a specific area of an image. We provide a Zoom to a Point function. Move your mouse cursor on the place where you want to see more details. Press Alt and use the scroll wheel to zoom in or zoom out. You can also drag and move the image with your mouse. If you want to do some quick editing to the image, use the buttons on the upper right side to crop or rotate it. Now, let's move on from the image list to the inspector on the right side. On the top of the inspector is the thumbnail. Down below is a color swatch that shows the color analysis of the selected image. You can left-click the color swatch to copy color codes. Click on the middle bar to add new tags. Eagle provides suggested or recently used tags for your reference. Tags with an add icon are not added yet. Click them to add tags within a second. The bar under the Tags bar allows you to add notes to the image. If you want to put your comments at a certain spot on the image, click the pencil icon on the upper right side, or press C to enter the comment mode. Then you can create a comment box on that spot to type words in. Click the pencil icon again, or press P to close the comment mode. Down below the notes bar, there's a bar that shows the current categories of the image. You can edit the categories and put the image in different folders. With that being said, a single image can be in multiple folders, which saves you much storage space. The bottom of the inspector shows the properties of the selected image. You can rate your images on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. You can also simply press 1 to 5 to rate the image. With the functions we've gone through in this episode, you can classify your design assets more efficiently. Congratulations! You've learned the tips for browsing images in Eagle. In the next episode, there will be more tips for browsing assets other than images. If you frequently use videos in your design jobs, you can't miss it. See you next time.